Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, voice recorder error. You need to set up microphone in settings. Click Start button, Settings. Click Privacy. Click Microphone. Turn on, allow apps to access your microphone. Turn on, voice recorder apps to access your microphone. Now open and record voice recorder app. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.